can you get through that time of the month without too much stress? We'll show you where to hide personal hygiene products, improve your mood, what to snack on, and how to stay calm and beautiful. Watch our new video with life hacks for your most sensitive days. Dolly has been a monster all morning. She's whining, snacking, getting mad at everyone, snacking again, getting annoyed, then crying. It seems like Redhead knows what's wrong. This must be pre-monster syndrome, or PMS. Redhead should make her friend's life better. For starters, let's replace her coffee with healthy tea. Peel a piece of ginger root and chop it finely. Brew green tea. Add the ginger and some mint leaves. You can also add some honey. There we go! Dolly already looks much calmer. We just have to tame her inner monster in time. Dolly doesn't want to go to school. When it's this time of the month, she's worried that everything will go wrong. And taking care of personal hygiene at school is awkward. Don't be silly! Days like these aren't an excuse to put your life on pause. Redhead put together a whole backpack of life hacks for her friends' most sensitive times. Let's hide a hygiene set in a box from modeling clay. Remove the modeling clay and clean out the container. Roll up spare underwear very tightly. Put them in a Ziploc bag. Put the underwear, pads, and tampons in the box. Close the lid. This package of modeling clay can help a girl out when she needs it most. And this glue stick is hiding a spare tampon. Remove the glue from a glue stick. Cut the bottom wheel. Remove the holder and glue the wheel back on. Clean the tube. Put a tampon inside. What a smart idea! Just don't confuse the glue sticks in class. Now the girls are ready for long hours of studying. They're prepared for any situation. Miss Smith is teaching us about women's health issues. Every woman should be prepared. For example, Miss Smith always has an extra tampon in her phone case. What a great life hack! Cover a clear phone case from the inside with acrylic paint. Cut open an empty tube from glue and hot glue it onto the case. Cover the tube with light clay. Make it look like lipstick. Color it with acrylic paint. Decorate it with rhinestones. Hide a petite tampon inside the tube. The girls take thorough notes on everything their teacher says. They liked that life hack. Dolly's allergic to the whole world. These monthly hormones always knock her out of whack, but Redhead has a way to combat mood swings when she's on her period. She sends her friend videos of cute kittens and pandas. They cheer her up instantly. And if you want to cry your heart out, here's a collection of sad music specifically for crying. Just don't bottle all your emotions up. And when she's got no tears left to cry, Redhead brings out a big coloring book. It looks like a roll of wallpaper, but relaxing. This is the perfect time to add some color to Dolly's life and forget about her hormones. And if something goes wrong and you end up the victim of a tragic accident, then you can save yourself with glue. What'll it do? Remove the unfortunate stain. Pour stain remover into an empty tube from glue. Stain remover is very useful on days like these, and carrying it around in a tube of glue is very handy. The day is saved! Miss Smith came up with a world-class life hack. She gives the girls a first aid kit specifically for that time of the month. Where is it? Right here, hidden in a universal school-themed package. A globe! Divide a globe into 2 halves. Place tampons, overnight pads, sanitary napkins, and regular pads inside. Roll up spare underwear and put them in a Ziploc bag. And put panty liners in a Ziploc bag. Put everything inside the globe. Close the globe back and return it to its stand. The globe is always ready to rescue the girls. Your period isn't the apocalypse. Just be prepared. Dolly's feeling anxious today. Does she look okay? Or is it super obvious that it's that time of the month? Redhead reminds Dolly that she has a whole stash of feminine hygiene products with her. Just look in your pencil case. And in this marker. Open up the marker. Remove the rod with tweezers. Place a panty liner in a Ziploc bag. Roll up the bag and insert it into the marker. Close the plug back up. That's genius! Nobody would ever guess that there's a pad inside this marker. Dolly can relax. Redhead suggests hiding sanitary products in plain sight. In a school supply cup, for example. Hide a rolled-up pad and tampon in a school supply organizer. Put pens and pencils on top. Now you don't need to waste time digging around in your purse. Another rule of surviving on your period is wearing comfortable clothes. If your jeans are uncomfortable and the button is too tight, just swap them out for jeans with an elastic waistband. Miss Smith keeps getting annoyed over nothing. It's pretty bad. She's turning into a monster. Maybe she needs some special care and attention today, too. To keep Miss Monster from being mad, we offer her some aromatherapy oil. Add a few drops of mint essential oil to coconut oil. Transfer it to a small jar. Hide it in a pencil case. Miss Monster takes a small sniff and rubs the oil into her temples. It's a miracle! The monster gets tamed right before our eyes. And to strengthen the effect and cheer Miss Smith up, we give her a special bouquet. It's full of antioxidants that'll help her regulate her hormones and stay happy. String bananas on wooden skewers. Cut dark chocolate into strips. And attach them to the skewers as well. Make a bouquet. Connect the skewers with tape. Wrap them in Kraft paper. Tie a bow. Decorate the bouquet with sprigs of mint. Miss Smith loves her happy bouquet, and we chew on mint leaves and calm down from the inside out. Miss Smith just consumed so many endorphins that she'll probably end up being the happiest person on earth. Miss Smith is so touched and gives us a present too. A box with useful things that'll cheer us up when things look bad. Get a decorative box. Glue a 3-wall corrugated cardboard divider and insert it into the box. Fill the box with peanuts, dried fruit, and walnuts with raisins. How sweet! Miss Smith gave us a healthy, delicious snack from the bottom of her heart. Our teacher is so thoughtful. When it's that time of the month, maintaining your skin is crucial. Redhead noticed that her face is shiny and she's starting to break out. That's totally normal. Your skin needs special care when you're on your period. Let's use a tonic that's easy to make at home. Mix 2 tablespoons of oats with a 1/4 cup of low-fat milk and put it on the stove. Once it boils, strain the liquid and let it cool. When it's chilled, add 7 drops of chamomile oil. Rub your face with it twice a day. After using this technique, your skin will be smoother and your face will be a healthier color. After a long, difficult day full of stress and worry, it's great to have a nutritious smoothie. It'll restore a woman's strength when it's that time of the month. Chop a banana, an apple, and fresh spinach. Put the ingredients into a blender. Squeeze out some orange juice and make a smoothie. Pour it into a bottle. This smoothie will refresh and strengthen your body. Delicious! Also, warm water helps with relaxation. Instead of just boiling in a hot bath, take a warm, refreshing shower. Your life will get much better. Now, let's try to cheer her up. This aromatherapy lamp with a healing mixture to relieve stress, pain, and anxiety will help Dolly. Mix 2 drops of sage oil, 1 drop of geranium oil, and 1 drop of ylang-ylang oil in an aromatherapy lamp. Light it. The lovely scent is very relaxing. Some light meditation will also help you relax. Get into the lotus position and focus on your breathing. But Dolly's meditation is interrupted by a horrible feeling. Her stomach hurts, her body aches, and she feels like she got run over by an 18-wheeler of unfairness. Redhead shows her the next life hack. On days like these, some gymnastics exercises can help, or some yoga. If you want, turn on your favorite music and dance. Your mood and your cramps will get better. Did you like our life hacks for that time of the month? Then let us know in the comments about which one you thought was the most useful. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss new useful life hacks from Troom Troom.